A recent question by a new customer prompted this video on how to differentiate the paper types in US cut squares and envelopes. This can be a very tricky process, especially if you don't have anything to compare it with. Luckily, EzStamp has this covered for you in that we have scanned all the paper types for the US envelopes so that you can compare the built-in paper types available in EzStamp. To do this, you just go to the Extras menu, click on USA Paper Envelope Color Types, and you must have the USA Revenue Database open to do this. And then you'll be able to select two different colors to compare side by side. So let's compare the color of amber, and let's see what that compares like when you select something like manila. So as you can see, there's quite a difference. There's also differences between the amber. There's laid paper, wove paper, and a color called amber manila. But this should help guide you so that you can fairly easily identify the paper types that you have. A key thing to remember when typing your identifying your paper types is to always use the inside of the envelope to compare. The reason being is that the outside of the envelope has more than likely faded or become discolored due to exposure to light or other agents. Another key thing to be able to do to identify for US envelopes is whether the paper is laid or wove. Laid paper can be distinguished by the parallel watermark lines, which are easily visible when held up to light. Here's an example of laid paper. Let's go to fawn. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but on my screen you can clearly see the parallel watermark lines. In this case, they are diagonal. For more helpful tips, click on the tips button at the top, and you can read it, and it'll explain some intricacies of how to identify the USA paper types. Enjoy identifying the paper types, folks, and thanks for watching.